Are you looking for the best pocket monoculars? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best pocket monoculars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Vortex Optics Solo Monocular. The Vortex Optics Solo Monocular 8x25 is a compact and durable optical device designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliable performance in various conditions. With 8x magnification and a 25mm objective lens, it offers a 7.2 degrees angular field of view, allowing users to observe distant objects clearly. The monocular features fully multi-coated lenses that enhance light transmission, providing bright and sharp images even in low-light environments. Its rubber-armored housing ensures a secure, non-slip grip, while the nitrogen gas purging and O-ring seals make it both waterproof and fog-proof, suitable for use in all weather conditions. The adjustable eye cup accommodates users with or without glasses, offering comfortable viewing. Weighing just 5.6 ounces and measuring 4.4 inches in length, it is lightweight and portable, easily fitting into a pocket or backpack. Backed by Vortex's unlimited, unconditional lifetime VIP warranty, the Solo Monocular 8x25 is a reliable companion for activities like hiking, bird watching, and travel. Number 2. OLIMT Monocular Telescope. The 8x25 monocular telescope is a compact and versatile optical device designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking portability without compromising on performance. With 8x magnification and a 25mm objective lens, it offers a wide field of view, making it ideal for activities such as hiking, camping, bird watching, and travel. The monocular features fully multi-coated ED, extra-low dispersion, glass lenses and BAK, for prisms, delivering sharp and clear images with enhanced color fidelity. Its lightweight and compact design allow for easy one-handed use and convenient storage in a pocket or backpack. Built to withstand various weather conditions, the monocular is waterproof, ensuring durability during outdoor adventures. Whether you're observing wildlife, attending sporting events, or exploring new landscapes, this monocular provides a reliable and portable solution for on-the-go viewing. Number 3. Usogood Monocular. The usogood 10x42 monocular telescope is a compact and lightweight optical device designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking high-quality, portable magnification. Weighing under 9 ounces and measuring just 5.8 inches by 2.5 inches by 2.1 inches, it offers 10x magnification with a 42mm objective lens, providing a wide field of view, 360 feet at 1,000 yards, making it ideal for bird watching, hiking, and sporting events. The monocular features a 22.5mm extra-large eyepiece and BAK for prism with fully multi-coated lenses, reducing light loss by 99.99% and delivering bright, clear images. Its ergonomic design includes a non-slip rubber grip and comes with a hand strap, double lens covers, and a soft case with a neck strap for easy portability. Additionally, it offers a close focus distance of less than 3 yards, allowing users to observe both distant landscapes and nearby details with clarity. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the usogood 10x42 monocular is a reliable companion for various outdoor activities. Number 4. Pankoo 12x60 HD Monocular. The Pankoo 12x60 HD monocular telescope is a high-performance optical device designed for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a powerful 12x magnification and a 60mm objective lens that provides a wide 6.5 degrees field of view, equivalent to 325 feet at 1,000 yards. This monocular is equipped with a large 21mm BAK for prism and fully multi-coated, FMC, lenses, ensuring bright, sharp, and high-resolution images with minimal light loss and color distortion. Its ergonomic design features a non-slip rubber armor for a secure grip and an adjustable eye cup for comfortable viewing with or without glasses. Number 5. Pankoo 16x52 Monocular. The Pankoo 16x52 monocular telescope is a compact and high-powered optical device designed for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a 16x magnification and a 52mm objective lens diameter. This combination allows for bright and clear images, making it ideal for activities such as bird watching, hiking, sports events, and travel. The Monocular features a BAK for prism and fully multi-coated lenses, enhancing light transmission and providing high-resolution views with minimal distortion. Weighing approximately 0.5 pounds and measuring 6.7 inches in length, the Monocular is lightweight and portable, suitable for one-handed use. Its ergonomic design includes a rubberized grip and an adjustable eye cup, accommodating both eyeglass wearers and those without. The device is also waterproof, ensuring durability and reliability in various weather conditions.